My name is Malika Kazia. Let's begin now with Britam Asset Managers Limited. They announced today that the company is investing 1.4 billion shillings in an energy private equity fund, Everstrong Power Limited. Now, the private equity firm Everstrong will use the funds to buy a stake in the 80-megawatt heavy fuel oil Athi River power plant owned by Gulf Energy. Kenneth Kaniu, the CEO of Britam Asset Managers, has stated that the investment will achieve diversification across asset classes and currencies.
We found to be a sector that really matches our strategy from the point of view of the long-term nature of the sector, because a lot of the liabilities that we have from clients are long-term in nature. We have also found the energy sector and infrastructure sector to be fairly stable from the point of view of investment returns, because once a power purchase agreement, as an example, is signed up by the government of Kenya through Kenya Power, this is an irrevocable agreement that really has very strong contractual provisions. We're also very happy with the energy sector based on the profile of returns that we then earn, which are hard currency returns. You're talking of almost double-digit returns. So for us, it really provides a very good hedge against any potential weakness from the point of view of the Kenyan shilling. Recall that we own 48.8% of housing finance, and we own another 8% of Equity Bank. And whilst the businesses themselves have done well, from the point of view of the stock market, from the point of view of what I'd call adverse legislation, these are businesses that have suffered. So we have seen that the earnings of those businesses have then pulled down in aggregate Britam Holdings' own earnings. So it is important for Britam Holdings to then consider, obviously, investments away from the very volatile stock market. And Britam Asset Managers, in cognizance of that, has already made the step to begin to diversify away from traditional asset